How long are you pregnant?
9.
She's full. She's ready to go, huh? She's ready to go. Okay, all right. Look at me. Look at me. Breathe through, all right, Mama? Breathe through, okay? Has your water broke? You have to let me know if the baby's coming, okay?
Is this your first?
Is this your first baby? No? How many? 6? Woo! Y'all need a better hobby, okay? All right, just keep breathing, okay? I'm not going to move you. I'm not going to do nothing because you feel like you look like you're comfortable right now, okay? I know it hurts, but you've been through this before, okay? Keep breathing through it. Oh, I know. Oh. I don't want to move her. I don't want to move her. No, I don't want to move her. The only thing I'm going to move her straight to is the gurney and go into the ambulance, okay? All right, now I'm afraid if I change the position on her, the baby's going to come, okay? So I don't want to move her. You're fine, Mama. You're fine. I know. Don't push. Don't push.
She's pushing.
I know she's pushing.
Wait, she's pushing.
Give me a 52.
She's coming.
She's coming. We're gonna have to take her to the back.
There we go. I got a baby. Don't pull. I got her. There you go, Mama. I told you I didn't want to deliver another baby. Oh, pretty little girl. Just hang tight. Oh, yeah, that's a beautiful sound. Mama. That's a beautiful sound. I'm fixing it. Look at your baby. Look at your pretty little girl.